Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the lock screen widget in this device. So now it is enabled. This is the lock screen. If you swipe left, you can see the widgets you can see here on the lock screen. So let me show you how to enable or disable this one. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your screen passcode, scroll down. Here you can see the option Lock Screen Widgets. Allow access when locked. Under Lock Screen Widgets you can see here, just disable this one. Then lock the device. Swipe left, you can see the widgets are disabled in this device. If you want to enable this one, again go to settings, tap on Face ID and passcode. Then swipe down, then turn on this one Lock Screen Widget. Now you can see the widgets are here. Okay. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the lock screen widget in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.